Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to bookmark tweets on Twitter. It's pretty simple and easy. Open up Twitter, then find any post which you want to bookmark. For example, I want to mark this. Just tap on share button and here you will see bookmark. Tap on bookmark. As you can see, tweet added to your bookmarks. And for example, I want bookmark another. For example, this tweet. Just tap on share button and then tap on bookmark. Now, to find bookmarks, in very top you will see your profile icon. Tap on profile icon at the top left corner. Then select bookmarks and here you will see your bookmarks tweets. If you want to unbookmark any tweets, you just tap again to share button in bookmarks list. From pop menu, tap on remove bookmark. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.